Hi, this is Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and it's early in the season in February, and we're already starting on our maintenance and some of the other projects we have. This deck we've been taking care of for over 20 years. Well, this customer over 20 years, this deck about 20 years. It just seems like they don't make wood like this like they used to, but this is pressure treated pine deck. It's been around for a long time, and we just keep taking care of it over and over and doing our maintenance. So if you look, you'll see we have some organic growth going on over here. You can see where the soffit protected the wood. We got some resins in the pine, all the things we run into naturally on a pressure treated pine deck. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do a light cleaning. We're gonna get rid of the organic growth. And then after we get rid of the organic growth, we're gonna come back tomorrow with our Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain. We're gonna put on 2 coats on the floor. We're gonna single coat the verticals, and this baby will be ready to go. So it's the time of year to get started. This is the kind of work we do. We love it. This thing's gonna look beautiful. Look for the video afterwards when we complete the job, and you'll see the end result.